Hi, let's talk about spot cleaning your dance costumes. A lot of the time for our dance costumes, we accidentally have our lipstick stains on our dance costumes and things like that. So how exactly can we clean it? It's pretty simple. There are a couple of things that you will need that will help you with the whole process. First things first, there are a couple of things here that you can try to use. We've got baking soda, standard laundry soap, no bleach, Vanish, or you can use anything that tries to remove any stubborn stains. And of course, we have isopropyl alcohol, 70%. So let's start with these ones first, the powders. So we've got lots of stains here. We've got lipstick stains, we've got blusher stains, we've got mascara stains even. So let's try to remove these stains. We need a white towel. This is important to put underneath. If you're using any powders, we're going to start by making a paste out of the powders. Once you have some out, add a little bit of water and make it very pasty. Not too much water. And once you have a paste, you're going to start putting it onto the stains. So all you need to do is to put this here. Gently rub it into the fabric and let it do its magic. What we're going to do for all of them is we are going to leave it over there for about half an hour, just so that it can thoroughly remove all of the stains. Now we're going to do the second way. You can use any of these ways. We're just giving you suggestions, and whichever that's convenient for you, you can try. Grab some of the stain remover powder. Again, we're going to make a paste out of it. Put a bit of water, make it into a paste. Once you're happy with it, we're just going to put it on the stain. You see how we're covering it really thick? That's really what we want. Once I have the paste fully covering the stain, I'll just gently rub it in. And for all of them, we're going to leave it there for half an hour. Lastly, one of my favorite ways to remove the stains is using isopropyl alcohol. You can find this at local pharmacies. Pour some out. You want to pour it out so that it doesn't stain any of the alcohol that's left inside the bottle. Get some cotton buds or Q-tips, dip it in, and we're going to gently wipe it. Now the reason why we put a towel at the back of the fabric is because we want the towel to be absorbing any of the stains. Next, we're going to grab some paper towels, fold it, and you're going to gently rub it. You can see how it's really coming off. Repeat this process with the isopropyl alcohol until you're done. Once you're done covering up all of your spots with one of the ways we've mentioned, just add a little bit more water and just gently scrub. We basically want to agitate the fabric a little bit, just so it really removes and goes all the way in to remove the stains. Now don't worry if it doesn't work for the first time. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 washes. Once you're done gently agitating the fabric, now we're just going to dip it in and wash. Get a bit of your laundry detergent, pour it into the water, and you're just going to stir the water a little bit just to mix it up. Once you're ready, dip it in, gently scrub. Now you want to do a slight gentle motion. You don't want to rub it a little bit too hard, just gently scrub it like that. Move it in different directions. And if your fabric has stretch, you can gently also stretch it a little bit and then scrub. After you're done scrubbing, gently rinse it in just plain water. And you can see this is the result. Not too bad, huh? You can definitely do this at home. Take your time. Try on little spots first if you have a lot of spots. Once you're done, all's good, dry it up, do it the towel way, and we're done. Now we can see where we have the white towel underneath the fabric in the first place. It has grabbed all of this, all from the fabric. Now this is important. So we hope that you found this useful. If you have, please like and subscribe over here. And also, comment down below if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer. Have fun with your dance costumes and just keep dancing! We at Free Movement also offer cleaning services. To find out more about our cleaning services, click on the link below.